Hello everyone. I recently had the privilege to attend the training session at KVS Gwalior on experiential learning for TGT Sciences. I am from Agra region. PT Chauhan from PMC KV number 1 got this experience which is truly enriching. The workshop was well structured, facilitated with providing valuable insights and practical skills. Resource persons were very knowledgeable and they were doing hands-on activity which were engaging. They were sharing best practices that cater to the diverse needs. The interactive sessions, group discussions and the hands-on activities made learning enjoyable and collaborative. I appreciate the organizers for their efforts in creating conducive learning environment. The training has not only enhanced my professional skill but also provide opportunities to network with educators.
The 5-day experiential learning workshop organized at ZEED Gwalior proved to be an intellectually stimulating and pedagogically transformative experience. The program successfully bridged the gap between theoretical understanding and practical classroom implementation through well-designed interactive sessions and collaborative discussions and hands-on activities.
The workshop has been an highly enriching experience for us. Many biology concepts such as heredity, human heart, lymph, which we found difficult to teach in school, was dealt and well explained by Shikha Sharma ma'am. She taught us through visual aids and in an interactive manner. She also guided us on how to help the students to solve complex problems in a simple and logical manner.
My expressions on the lectures given by Mr. S.K. Rajput. He is PGT Chemistry from Kendra Vidyalaya CMM Jabalpur, and he has taken all our sessions which were based on the contents of chemistry. He has given very insightful lessons on various topics of chemistry, including carbon and its compounds, which have incorporated all the principles of NEP 2020.
The event has helped teachers to gain new knowledge and enjoy learning through activities. We look forward to such more events as ZEED Gwalior continues to promote quality education with creativity, collaboration and hands-on learning.
Overall, the workshop was enlightening and professionally rewarding and rare that reinforced the essence of experiential learning by doing, reflecting and connecting knowledge with the life.